Hi, this is Ronak Patel from Sunflower Lab. Today we're going to talk about one of the common questions we get from many of our clients after once we finish the custom software development is, do I need support and maintenance plan? And the short answer is yes, absolutely you need. Support and maintenance plan for any custom software we have built kind of protect you against the future changes which can happen outside of your software, such as operating system comes in, new operating system, the new browser version, or there is a changes in a framework or anything else which is outside of the system or this application, which is kind of now impacting the application and causing some issue in the application, or there is some hidden or uncovered defects or issue kind of pop up afterward. So having the support and maintenance team stand by is a peace of mind and is the greatest way to ensure your investment for your custom software. So the answer is yes, you absolutely need. The second thing is we always get like how much it will cost us. Well, the general idea for any software to supporting it will be the 15 to 20% cost of your development cost. So as an example, you spend like 100,000 to build out the software. Every year is gonna be somewhere from $15,000 to $20,000 is going to be cost to keep your software up and running for against any future changes and go forward. Hope this video helped. Again, this is Ronak Patel from Sunflower Lab. Thank you.